Wow, I'm so excited to show you Descript's new features to help you edit your videos like a professional. And it's super affordable, and even the free account is so good. Make sure you go to the description below and grab my affiliate link so that you can get your own Descript account. I'm gonna show you how the new features can help you, how to make breaks and add video on top of the video. And when I don't know if you've seen or you are a YouTuber and you are editing the video and it's so hard because you have a lot of things that you're gonna put on top and you're talking about something and you want to put a GIF or a video representing of what you were saying, and it's so hard to do it on other editors. Descript is making it so easy. I'm so excited about this feature, so I created a whole tutorial for you. So check it out. And if you're new here, my name is Andrea. This is the Irresistible Marketing Lab, and I'm the Irresistible Experience Creator. I help coaches and entrepreneurs like you create irresistible experiences online so that you can make an impact online. Let's get started. Hi, and welcome to the Irresistible Marketing Lab YouTube channel. My name is Andrea, and I will be your host. In this channel, you will learn how to create momentum in your business by designing virtual events with automated communication. You will also find tutorials on digital marketing strategies and my favorite tools so that you can make a bigger impact in this world. Let's get started. Script tool, you have to download it to your computer, and if you haven't seen my other video on how you edit easily the transcript here and how to upload and all the basics, check out that video. It's here on the right corner or left corner. But find it here or go back to my channel and you're gonna find that video there. Now, on this video, I actually wanted to test the new Storyboard features by Descript. I'm super excited because I have this video that I recorded yesterday, and fortunately and unfortunately, I have this intro video that was made for me last year, and I changed my logo, so I'm gonna add the new logo here, and we're gonna use the effects and everything. So the first thing, and I'm super excited because when I was seeing, you see how there's this little here? Well, those are ways for you to split the video so that you can add images or videos on top of your video and just keep the audio. So this is super helpful when doing YouTube videos, and I'll show you. Okay, now, as you see, when I click on enter, it's gonna do another line. But if I do the / what's gonna happen is that an image is gonna pop up here. See, and it highlights all this, and it tells me that if I add something here, like an overlay video or a GIF or whatever I want, it's gonna be added to all of this. So if I don't want that, what I have to do is, let's see here, 3.2 seconds. This is where there's the space. So I'm gonna put here the / and then another one here. I wanna click on enter as well because then we start to a new screen, so I don't want to mix it. Now, what I'm gonna do here is change the logo that appears here on the screen. So if you see that, it says, let's get started. Let's see. Hi, and welcome to the Irresistible Marketing Lab YouTube channel. Okay, here, I'm gonna do another break because I just want to change this, okay? So in order to change that, I am gonna click here. Let me see how we change it. Okay, we can add comments if we're working on a team. This is really cool, but not what I wanted to do. So let's see how I remove this. Insert, okay. So I right-clicked on my mouse, and then I'm gonna click insert, and I'm going to add a file. Click here. Okay, so we're gonna add the file from Descript, and this is the file I want to add. It's 10 seconds. We might have to make it less than 10 seconds because it's only a 3-second video. So let me click on open. but I don't think it got added where I wanted it to get added. Dang it. Okay. Okay, so 3.5 seconds. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna make this larger and see if I cannot grab and okay, I might have view media. Okay, there we go. I don't want it here. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so I highlighted it here and I wanna replace this video with the clip I just did. So I'm gonna click here on insert. I wanna add a file. There we go. I did it. So it has to check on the file add. Okay. Hi, and welcome to the Irresistible Marketing Lab YouTube channel. Add file. Okay, remember that. Then what else I wanted to show you? So let me add an image here. Let's see. So I'm gonna add a scene here. And I'm gonna grab my Finder. And I'm gonna add another here so I can add the logo and a little video. So I have my folder here with the downloads and I'm gonna drag this here and then I'm gonna drag this here. Bam! That is so easy! Okay, let's play it and see how it looks. Your Instagram account. So I'm assuming that you already have connected your Instagram account and okay, but I don't like it there, so I'm gonna do here a split. Wait, no. You don't have to split it on lines because when you download the transcript, it's not going to be like it's going to be all split up. So let's see. I'm going to leave that the same. And then now you're ready to create that keyword trigger here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do instead. So the video looks prettier. Where it says Instagram account, I'm going to put it there. Let's see. So I'm assuming that you already have connected your Instagram account. Okay. We're gonna stop it and we're gonna see how it looks now. Your Instagram account, and now you're ready to create that keyword that will trigger every time that people send you a DM and they will receive your freebie. Perfect. Yay, I really love this. This is so exciting. I'm gonna add an effect, an animation, like, let's see some blur. So let's see how it looks. Already have connected your Instagram account. Nope, we don't want that. See how I can remove it just by clicking on the minus point, on the minus sign, sorry. Blur. We adjust it here. Default, bottom center. Or top center. No, I really don't like it. That's what I'm gonna add. We'll put the mouse here too on this side so we can add some transitions. Okay, so assuming that you already have connected your Instagram account. Assuming that you already have connected your Instagram account. Okay, now I would look for something else to add here. So this screen that is a little boring doesn't show, right? Because it's my screen recording. Okay, here we're gonna add another scene. If you like this video, make sure that you like it. Okay, and now we're gonna add green screen. Actually, we're gonna add it to the whole thing. If you like this video, make sure that you like it, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now this is not how I wanted it to download, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna test two videos. Guess I don't know if the white is gonna look good, the white text or the teal text, so we're gonna try both. So we're gonna try this one here. There we go. Okay, Now you see that you can't see my face there, so we're gonna click here on green screen. I like this video. Okay, so that didn't work as expected. So this is not the one that has to have the green screen. This is the one that has supposed to have the green screen. So I'm gonna click on this video, show clips. And then we're gonna add effects, green screen. This is not a file longer than 10 minutes. Oh, okay. I see what they did there. I have to upgrade, which is okay. So what we're going to do is we're gonna add a transparency here. So I'm gonna undo this. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna remove this video that has the white background, and I'm gonna add a picture that has a transparency instead. So let me do that. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. See? If you like this video, make sure that you like it, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So that's how you do it. I'm really excited about this new changes. And if you want to get your own Descript account, make sure to go to the comments below. You know that I always have all the details there. Grab the Descript tool, upgrade. It's very affordable. They have plans starting at $15, which is super affordable. And guys, this is so easy to use. Like, any person can learn how to use this, and I'm super excited about this. Did you see that? That was incredible. Get your Descript subscription. The link is in the comments below. It's my affiliate link, so I will get commission out of it. I'm always 100% transparent with you. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Irresistible Latina. And I will see you in the next tutorial or training about how to become an irresistible experience creator online. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.